This is Lisa.
Okay, great honor to introduce Tenon Smart Lock with 2 Expo. Now, the smart lock is becoming very universal and convenient in our daily life. But how to choose appropriate model for your house? I think there are 3 very important factors. The first is the security, and the second is the intelligence, and the third is the reliability. That is just Tenon's reputation.
And we appreciate you taking the time to join us today. So my question to you guys is, what kind of locks have you got for us today?
Okay, look here. Now this one is our flagship smart lock model, A7X with a face recognition function. And for the front panel and the back panel, it is made of the high purity zinc alloy. Its automatic multi-lock is made of the stainless steel, very stable and durable. Okay. And on the front panel, there is one doorbell button. So you can call on the doorbell button to inform the house owner to unlock the door for you. Stand outside, there are 7 unlocking ways, including the face recognition, and the fingerprint, and the password, and the card, and the mechanical key. And you can also open the door by the Tuya mobile app, and you can also generate one-time temporary password and the periodic password. So it is very convenient. From inside, there are 2 unlocking ways. You can press this quick unlocking button to unlock the door. Very sensitive. When the electronic part won't work, you can also turn this mechanical knob to unlock the door. Okay.
So great, thanks for that, Nick. That's a lot of functions coming with the A7X there, I must say. So guys, do be sure to pay attention and ask these guys any questions. So Nick, please could you introduce in detail the comparison between Tenon's facial recognition smart locks, the A7X, and other brands?
Okay, for our A7X, it works with the newest 3-dimensional face recognition technology. So it can differentiate the real face and pictures easily. No matter you wear the glasses or hat or light makeup, our A7X can recognize your face correctly. The false rejection rate is lower than 0.01%, so very, very sensitive. In the total darkness environment, you don't need to turn on the light. The A7X can recognize your face. Okay, so what you care most may be still the power consumption and the service life. For our A7X, it works with 8 pieces airplane batteries, which can support 10,000 to 12,000 unlocking times. So the service life may be more than 1 year. For some other brands, their locks comes with the lithium batteries, where the service life is just 1 to 2 months. So for our A7X, it can work with longer service life. Thirdly, for different markets, their multi-lock standard is different. For example, in Asian market, some people want to take the multi-lock with a 60mm backset, while some others need the 70mm backset. Tenon can offer both choice for you. Okay. And finally, now our A7X can work with the Tuya ZB and Wi-Fi smart home system with the gateway. So it is very convenient and intelligent.
Awesome. So question for you guys, which markets do you recommend the A7X for and who does it suit?
Okay, now for our A7X, now it is very popular in the Asia and the Middle East market, and also very popular in the Latin America. So if you are looking for one fashionable smart lock with a high security level for your house, for residence, apartment, or villa, our A7X will be your best choice.
Brilliant. Thank you so much. And then, so the A7X is obviously a really attractive model, but Nick or Lisa, do you have any other smart locks for us today?
Yes, this lock, as you can see, it is the automatic push and pull smart lock. It is model A2. A2 is the Golden Star and Tenon best-seller list. It is very popular in the Asia and South American market. So with a very good price, you can get a durable automatic lock.
Great. So Tenon's Golden Star lock. So Lisa, how many unlocking methods does it support and what are the main functions?
Yes, this model A2 is including the complete 5-in-1 unlocking methods, which including the fingerprints, IC card, mechanic keys, and TUIA app. So it is a complete 5-in-1 unlocking methods, and also the most favorite point is that A2 is a perfect combination for electronic and mechanics. We have to mention that we already applied for the durable test from the laboratory intertech, which is the 200,000 cycles of durable test. But you know that the international standard is only 100,000 cycles. So let me show you why we can achieve such a high standard. As you can see, the whole handle for A2 is made up with the zinc alloy, and zinc alloy is a very durable material. And secondly, the secret is on the motors. As you can see, the motors is not like the other smart lock that the motor is separated from the motors, but we put the electronic motor directly on the motors, so it can give a very quick response when operating the door. Yes, and this unique design can greatly save the power consumption. So with only 8 pieces batteries, the battery life can last for 12 months. In this way, if you're looking for a durable automatic lock, A2 is your best choice. Thanks.
Great, guys, thank you so much. And thank you for the wonderful presentation. So today in the PSG exclusive offers, we can offer online. If you order the samples from Tenon, you can get the special prices of up to 70% off, or you will get extra 10 pieces if you make an OEM order of over 300 locks. So if you are interested in Tenon's A7X or the A2 model, please do click the Tenon TUIA shop now, guys.